If you're wondering how to sync Folk CRM with your existing CRM, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end, and I'll walk you through the process in just a few minutes. Plus, I'll show you how you can get started with Folk CRM completely free, exclusive bonuses included. So, whether you're new to Folk CRM or already using it, this will give you exactly what you need to integrate it seamlessly into your workflow. Folk CRM is an intuitive, easy-to-use tool designed to manage your contacts and streamline your CRM workflows. It's great for personalizing your client interactions, organizing your contacts, and ensuring your sales and marketing teams stay on the same page. But what if you already use another CRM and want to keep using both? Well, syncing Folk CRM with your existing CRM is not as complicated as it sounds. In fact, it can significantly enhance your productivity and data management. The first step in syncing Folk CRM with your existing CRM is to connect both systems. Folk CRM provides easy integration options with popular CRMs such as HubSpot, Salesforce, and Pipedrive, among others. You'll typically find these integrations under the Settings tab in Folk CRM. Once you're in the integration section, simply search for your CRM by name and follow the easy prompts to connect them. Once your CRMs are connected, you can sync data such as contact information, emails, and notes between both systems. This is crucial for ensuring that you never miss a follow-up or lose track of key interactions with your clients. Folk CRM uses two-way sync, meaning that updates made in either system will be reflected across both CRMs. So, for example, if you add a note about a contact in Folk CRM, it will automatically show up in your other CRM, keeping all your data updated without manual input. Folk CRM also gives you control over which data you want to sync. You can choose whether to sync specific fields like phone numbers, email addresses, or even custom tags. This level of customization is fantastic because it means you don't have to sync unnecessary information, keeping both systems clean and organized. Another important feature is the ability to automate workflows between both CRMs. This means that once you've set up your integration, you can automatically push new leads from Folk CRM into your sales pipeline in your primary CRM. Similarly, when you close a deal in your primary CRM, you can set it to update the status in Folk CRM, keeping everyone on your team in the loop. Now, why should you care about syncing Folk CRM with your existing CRM? By connecting these two platforms, you gain the best of both worlds. Folk CRM offers powerful contact management and personalized client engagement tools, while your primary CRM likely excels at sales tracking, reporting, and automation. Syncing them ensures that you leverage the strengths of both systems without duplicating effort. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it really easy? And I can tell you, yes, it absolutely is. Even if you're not super tech savvy, Folk CRM's user interface is designed to be simple, and the integration process is just a few clicks. If you need any help, Folk CRM also provides a support team that's ready to assist you every step of the way. So here's the bottom line. Syncing Folk CRM with your CRM is an easy and powerful way to boost your productivity, enhance your contact management, and streamline your workflows. And as I promised earlier, you can get started with Folk CRM completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you'll be able to explore all the features without any limitations. Don't miss out on the opportunity to optimize your CRM system today. Get started with Folk CRM now and take full advantage of this extended free trial before it's gone. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link below for more.